My name is Leanne Sitneri. I'm the General Manager of the Spinnaker Condominium Corporation, which is located in Seattle City, New Jersey. The Spinnaker is made up of 192 units, which comprise of approximately 50% of the units are rented on a seasonal basis, 10% are year-round, 40% are second homes, and then we have a large common area that is made up of 18 stores, which are rented out through the association. One of the biggest problems that we had prior to Condo Control is the disorganization of service requests, work orders. We would write them up manually, we would give them to maintenance, and we would hope they would come back to us. In the meantime, a lot of times they would get lost. There was no tracking system to make sure that they were completed, and we wouldn't really know anything until the owner came and complained to us that something wasn't done. Our second one is communication. So, we didn't get the information out to unit owners as quickly as we were able to or should have. And in emergency situations, given our location being right on the water, we have issues with flooding. Yes. So I was sitting in a couple board meetings. People would bring up topics that were already discussed in detail with emails. And so it got to be very repetitive at the meetings. And at that point, I said, there's got to be something out there that will work for us. So I met with several vendors, and I explained that my key was communication. And as I went through the conversations with Condo Control, there was certain times when I go, oh, we could really use that, or you know what, that would make things so much easier. It gives us more time to focus on our job. One of the benefits to it that I really like is because we're putting out so much communication, the phone doesn't ring as much, and that gives us a chance to do what we need to do. Favorite part of it is probably the announcements, to be honest. Again, we're in a location where sometimes we can't get into work because there's flooding, or we find out that flooding's coming, high tide's coming. We can put that announcement out. It's flagged right on someone's cell phone if they have it set up. It sends out the email, it sends out priority alerts, and the fact that we've been able to even use the text message version, it just gets the communication out faster. And then the best part is that it saves the communication. So when somebody says, I didn't get that, you can send them back to the library to reread some of the communication, where before we would have to go back in, research where that email was and resend it to them. And it just, knocks off a lot of time in our day. It's just definitely a good system. We love it.